What I think is really interesting is, a couple of years ago, it was all about Bitcoin and crypto. Now, a lot of people are talking about AI, but I think people are kind of missing that these are actually part of the same trend. We're going into this automated world where AI is going to create enormous amounts of wealth, and Bitcoin is going to protect that wealth.
It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'm back with another one. So, family, what you want me to say? Oh my goodness, it's the end of the world. Crypto is going down. It's capitulating. Guys, this is the beginning of something special. My name is Crypto Millie, and I talk about crypto daily. Make sure that you hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Now, you know what the funny thing is, right? In this journey of crypto, right? We went through a journey, right? If you just go back in my YouTube channel, right? It started off where we're at today, which is meme. It started with meme coins, and we kind of like went in a full circle, right? With meme coins. Then it went from meme coins to CBDCs, you know what I mean? The ISO 222 tokens, the utility, the tech. And then we dipped into the AI, the RWAs, the gaming tokens, right? The L2s, the chains, the utility tokens, and went in a full circle back to meme coins, right? And now we're here again. And what is looked at as one of the biggest crashes we've had in a long time. You can see here that Bitcoin is below 60,000, and Ethereum is about almost back to where it started before the whole hype behind the ETH ETFs came out, right? In fact, we were at about 56 maybe a month ago, so I don't know. I'm not sure where all the fear has gotten into, but we got spoiled, right? We got spoiled, right? Everybody wanted crypto to just go up, go up, right? And we had so many new people coming in crypto, and then the meme coin craze took over, where people were actually like, jumping into crypto because their favorite celebrity was creating a token. But now we're here, guys, right? And of course, no one, no one said this was going to be easy, right? You have to understand, right? You got to delay gratifications. Patience is required in the cryptocurrency market, and it's just at least 4 or 5 different things that tell us that we are still going to go higher from here, right? I think we need to keep that positivity and that hopium together. But in fact, some people need to leave crypto, right? Some people need to throw in the white towel. Some people need to move on, because if it was that easy, then everyone would become a millionaire in crypto. In fact, we haven't seen the fan greed index around the 50s in a while, and I would expect that the sentiment most likely is changing. You can see here that the altcoin index is sitting at 22, right? I think that's a good thing. Let's actually check out the crypto sentiment here, because I think a lot of people are bearish when they should be bullish. I guess it's not as bad, right? It's at 52, right? But I think we should be bullish and appreciate these prices, because guess what? Back in the day, right? And it feels like ages ago. A lot of people didn't get an opportunity to get here because they thought crypto was a scam, this, that, you know what I mean? But you can see here, Bitcoin has been going on a parabolic run, right? And on the weekly, this kind of looks like a double top here, right? A double top. But when in doubt, zoom out. You can see in the history, right? The history of Bitcoin, we've always had 30% pullbacks in a bull cycle, right? It's designed to kind of like shake you out, right? Shake you out, right? Just imagine, right? Even I know how important shakeouts is, right? Because the crash token, right? I was telling you guys about 27K to 30 million, right? That token ran very, very fast. But what a lot of people didn't realize that there were shakeouts that were designed to scare you and take your profits, where most people didn't hold from 27K to 30 million. They didn't make it because they may have took profits. They may have took their initial investments out. And that's the difference between getting the full meal here and just a portion of the meal. So when in doubt, zoom out. We've always had these corrections. I think it's very important that everybody needs to stay focused, guys. The global liquidity index and rising. And another point of interest here is, the more pain that we get, the higher the chances of a Fed cut here in September 2024. Of course, we don't have a meeting in August, so I believe that August should be a bullish month. They might do the Jackson 5 in August. The last 2 years, they did the Jackson 5 in August, and that kind of like set us back. But I don't want to say it was going to be bullish, but we could see a recovery, right? But it's a 60% chance that we do get that Fed cut, and I want people to prepare for a market collapse before the pump, right? In the past, Bitcoin collapsed from 56K to 28K, and then it ran all the way up to 69K. But there were many people that got shook out in that shakeout. So I want everybody to understand that, you know, the parabolic stage is here. I'm not going to say we're in the beginning of a bull run, but every time that we've consolidated here, which is crazy, right? Every time we've consolidated above the Gossen channel here, we had a massive move to the upside, right? And a lot of people are predicting another massive move could come here for Bitcoin. But, you know, the chink in the armor is that the Bitcoin dominance is actually going down, and we're seeing altcoins go up, right? So Bitcoin has went down below 60K, right? The dominance is going down. Ethereum hasn't been bothered that much. We're still seeing a lot of strength in the market from some of the strongest altcoins, right? The Ondos, the Renders, the Jasmys, you know, Celestia, LDO. I remember talking about all these coins, right? And it just seems like today no one's interested in utility tokens, right? You do a video on utility tokens, like, whatever. Talk to me nice, Millie. I want to hear about meme coins. But this is cool because in the midst of the hype around meme coins, utility tokens have been a lost art, right? And this is great for anybody who's been paying attention to this because it's giving us an opportunity to get in almost in the bear market prices. I don't think people realize that a lot of these altcoins are around bear market prices. So if you have conviction, if you feel like I don't want to point out any specific altcoins, but we could just say narratives, right? If you feel like, you know, you have altcoins in the AI narrative, the gaming narrative, the RWA narrative, and the layer 2 narrative, or just chains in general, this may be the perfect time to start adding to your bag. Of course, not financial advice, but I've said it before. You do not buy altcoins when it's in altcoin season, guys. You buy altcoins when it's Bitcoin season. And we're starting to see little kinks of armor in the Bitcoin dominance here. We're starting to see little kinks of armor in the Bitcoin dominance. And I'll tell you what, if the Bitcoin dominance does capitulate from here, we could see a move that's going to shock a lot of people from altcoins, right? Altcoins have already been getting pummeled, right? So most of them are at the bottoms where the people that hold altcoins are the people that truly believe in them, right? All the wish-washies, the here today, gone tomorrow people, most of them already are gone, right? And Bitcoin is starting to get crushed. Though we are starting to see the Bitcoin dominance go down and altcoins hold the strength, right? So there's a consensus out here that we're one step away from altcoin season, not to add the interest, right? Just look at March, right? The interest in crypto worldwide was at 100, guys. We're all the way back down to 46. Almost 50% of people have lost interest in cryptocurrency. 50% of people have lost interest here in cryptocurrency. So I think this is good. I mean, come on. I mean, if you've been in crypto like myself, we've been through so many black swan events. This is nothing. This is why the Discord would be like, Billy, why are you not bothered? Because I've seen it enough to know that these pullbacks happen. They're normal. The trend is a little frothy, right? We did dip below the bull market bands on Bitcoin and Ethereum, so that is something to be of concern, but we're still above the Gossen channel and respect it. And I believe these what's it called, the options here are going to expire, right? 6.6 billion worth of options. Not to add, we're getting a little FUD from guess what, guys? We're getting a little FUD from yours truly, Mount Gox favorite. What happens every time Bitcoin drops, right? They bring up Mount Gox, right? They say, oh, Mount Gox, the government is selling. They have to repay for Mount Gox. All right, we go through this every single time, right? But what has not changed, right? We know AI is about to be part of everyday humanity, right? And you just heard one of my guys, Pompey, said, like, Bitcoin complements AI gains, right? Once you make your gains in AI, you're going to put that profit in Bitcoin, right? So I don't know, guys. You know what I mean? It's just funny how we went in full circle. If we started from meme coins, we went through this whole full circle. Now we're back at meme coins, and now everybody's freaking the fuck out. Like, when are my altcoins going to go up? So just stay focused. I don't want to get into actually any charting or anything of that sort. But, we got a lot to look forward to, right? This is a great post here from CryptoLogic. Since Bitcoin is falling and altcoins are stable, with some even going up. The reason is that the Bitcoin dominance is falling. This means that the money rotation has started. Gosh, you don't want to miss this money rotation. We've shown plenty of charts where the money goes from Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then altcoins. Right now, I think the next rotation is Ethereum. Right, we had the Bitcoin ETFs that caused Bitcoin to go parabolic. Right, but a lot of people are like, Bitcoin could still go up, but hey, I need to take on a little bit of more risk. Right, and Ethereum ETFs have not went live, so this could be a perfect time to get into those ETH and alts. And when Ethereum breaks all-time highs, there's a good chance that you'll start to see your ERC20 tokens and your altcoins as well go parabolic. So I'm saying that to say this is just stay focused. Don't let this market shake you out. President Donald Trump is in talks to speak at the Bitcoin convention in July. I think that's in Nashville. I've been thinking about going to that, right? Nashville, a lot more, just a thought. But guys, we have it here. I've been thinking about going to this convention in July in Nashville. My lady has family in Nashville, so I don't know. This could be something that you see Millie at, right? You could take on a little vacation in Nashville and head up here to this Bitcoin convention. I'm really thinking about that. But chat, let me know in the comments what you think about crypto. Are you bearish? Are you bullish? You can see here a lot of people have predicted. We talked about how altcoins hit their peak 547 days after the halving cycle. I think I got my altcoin chart pulled up here, the total 3, right? And based on my predictions after the halving cycle, right, we usually have this frothy market and go sideways in a little bit of pain for about 189 days, which would put us in Q4. So it all, in my opinion, it's going to go up in Q4. Q4 is going to tell us if this bull run is over or if we are headed into the parabolic stage, in my opinion here. So I just want you guys to just stay focused on, the task at hand, right? We got so much stuff going on in crypto, and I think these pullbacks are enormous. Just want to make sure that's everything I wanted to cover. So understand, man, crypto itself, the crypto adoption is on the same pace as the internet, right? And I'm pretty sure the internet had bumps in its road, right? It had dumps. Like, people didn't believe in the internet. People didn't believe in Yahoo, the email. Just go back and look at the older videos, right? They thought it was a joke. And now look where we're at today with the internet. The same could be said with blockchain technology, which is getting adopted in so many different fashions. Think about health. Think about data, right? Think about when you see what what's that, Jesus Coin? I think Jesus Coin was up 72%, right? There was talks that a tithing could move to the blockchain, right? At some point, maybe campaign voting moves to the blockchain to mitigate all of this fraud, because the blockchain is truly transparent, right? And it's more transparent than anything that we've seen in creation, right? Cash is not transparent, right? So, and nobody uses checks these days and things of that sort. So we know that if you want truly financial freedom and financial control of your finances, blockchain allows that, right? Blockchain mitigates against, the banks, right? And you look at the banks, it's like, oh, wow, I sent my money in the bank, they lend it out without my permission, and they pay me peanuts, right? Well, you do something like that in DeFi, you get extreme gains back, right? DeFi gains are crazy, right? The same thing could be said about meme coins, right? I'm currently trading meme coins, and in the last 3 weeks have been extremely profitable, right? But the name of the game is just educating yourself and learning, guys. And yes, hey, this could be the top. Hey, we'll go into the bear market again, and guess what? Smart people will buy up all of the best cryptos again and wait for it to pump up for your cycles. I just don't personally think this is it. I don't think this is it, guys. Let me know what you think. I'll continue to monitor the situation here, but it is kind of odd that we're seeing altcoins hold strength in the midst of Bitcoin getting destroyed, right? So that shows you that the Bitcoin dominance is going down. A lot of people are moving on from Bitcoin and looking for a little bit more meat on the table. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I talk about crypto. I'll see you in the next one.